CM Cares is out here building a deck and ADA wheelchair ramp for a family in the community, the Van Wy family, and they foster disabled children. And so we came out here and we completely demoed and rebuilt an ADA ramp so that the children can come out, enjoy the sunlight, get a little fresh air.
It's been a fun project. I guess originally the structure that was here we thought was going to be okay and we could just re-deck and put the new Trex material on, but then we ended up having to redo the whole structure here. So it's been a fun experience, and the team that we have here is awesome. We've grown really close, and just it's kind of turned into less of I have to go out there to I really want to come out here and finish this up.
It's awesome. Yeah, so I've been interning with Brinkman Constructors, so getting to come out here and kind of help give back to the community and the CM program has been really great.
Oh, it's been an amazing opportunity to come out and make a difference in somebody's life. It's a family that, they do a lot of great things for the community, and it's nice to give back to them. It's been very rewarding. I've learned a lot about leadership throughout the process.
I love it. It's always a great feeling to go at the start of the day and end the day and see how much you've progressed. It's why construction is such a great industry. You can actually see what you've done.
To me, it just kind of puts a smile on my face every day. Anytime I get to drive by here and see this, it's fun.
It's just so rewarding. It's cool to see the progress of it and the impact that it makes.